vlog. Today we'll be doing binoculars. Okay, we need glue, some water, binoculars that I already made, and some paint. So let's start. Take your super glue, as this one will stick perfectly. Then put a little drop of it on. Let me. Oh! Like that. After that, don't let it to dry. Then put it on again. After that, put it up again. Put it nice and slowly and let it to dry up. While we're doing that, let's start painting which ones I already made. Do you have a paintbrush, guys? You're really ready. Okay, clean the paintbrush. Take a color. I'll take color brown because it's good on eyeglasses. After that, I paint on it. I paint. I paint on it nicely. In here. And also a beautiful river there. Okay, and a bit of green here. And also a bit of green there. More green. It's almost going off. Huh? Black. Dark blue. Color pink. Okay, Mama will just put it here nicely. And one of them here. There.
And I can see.
It has to be colorful. Binoculars. So, and then we finish painting the other one later. Watching, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye channel, and please do this craft at home. Okay, bye channel.